How to fix Google Chrome slow download speed. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix the Google Chrome slow download speed, what you can do is, firstly, you can actually launch a Google Chrome application in your device. Now over here, you need to tap on the three dot icon that is in your top right corner. Once you are in here, you can head over and click on Delete Browsing Data. This will redirect you to the new page, and make sure you have selected cached images and files as well. Then click on Delete Data. Once you do so, it will remove any of the cache built up. Next thing that you can do is, in the search bar, search for command prompt, just type in cmd. Then over here you need to type and tap on the enter button. Once you do so, right over here it will notify you that it has successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. This will remove any of the network cache or glitch that might be causing such problem. Next thing what you can do is go ahead and launch your Wi-Fi. Over here click on the eye icon that is the properties of your Wi-Fi. Here check out your DNS. Now if it is set on automatic, you need to click on edit. Then drop down the menu and tap on manual. Now toggle on IPv4. Here you need to type in the preferred DNS as 8.8.4.4, and as the alternative DNS you have to type 8.8.8.8. Once you do so, now you can just tap on the save button. This will help you to fix your error of your Chrome browser slow download speed. If nothing works, you can actually switch into a better network connection. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.